sithi masikhonza amadlozi sithi we do not pray to our ancestors.
Yes.
That's not true. Anything lithi iBhayibheli we do not bow. Yonke into oyithobelayo uNkulunkulu wakho.
Yeah.
Number 2, yonke into oyiphi isikhathi sakho uNkulunkulu wakho. Ngisazongena kuyo baba abazalwane kosathana uSirobhe is uNkulunkulu wethu iphone. Abazalwane they are so addicted kwiphone. But ngisese la endabeni yesiqalekiso ukuba noNkulunkulu uku-introduce abantwana koNkulunkulu.
Yes.
Yonke into ishayela idolo phansi uNkulunkulu wakho. Uma sithi thina asiwakhonzi, uma umuntu okhonza amadlozi athi amadlozi angikhuleki kuwe ngiyawa acknowledge, but ucela ku awuceli kuNkulunkulu, ucela indlela kuwe, ucela yonke into awuceli kuNkulunkulu. And you do not know ukuthi the actual people that you think you are talking to, those are not labo bantu abekho nokuba khona lapho. You are talking to other spirits. You are introducing your children to other spirits.
Yeah.
Okungathi mangathi uNkulunkulu uvula amehlo akho wabone lamadlozi awakhonza ungathuka. I want to make an example baba. Angazi ukuthi how much have you been exposed to imigidi yesangoma or isangoma? Have you ever been exposed to isangoma? Now umkhulu wakho makashona lo bathi ungene kuwe baba. Ushone ikhulumela ngevoice yakhe. Ushona uDlamini wenkosi emuhle. Why wena manje makuqala kuvuka uDlamini kuwena uba mumbi? Why now uDlamini eshone ekhuluma kahle? Ngifuna ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi lezi zinto esikhonza yazikho. You change and you speak with a very strange voice.